Hi all, welcome to our class. Last class we have studied two lines cut by a transversal and different types of angles. So now we are going to study transversal of parallel lines. Very important, transversal of parallel lines. What do you mean by parallel line? Two lines are parallel. What is the condition? Two lines are parallel. So we have two lines. These two lines are parallel. So M and N. Two line M and N. These two lines are parallel means this M goes and N goes. So it will not intersect. M and N will not intersect. For example, here a line, here another line. When we extend these two lines, this will go like this. When we extend this also, it will go like this. So at this point, they will meet. But parallel lines never meet, never intersect. That is called parallel lines. So M and N that goes that way never intersect. M and N will not intersect. So such lines are called parallel lines. So we are going to study two parallel lines M and N. Then these two parallel lines cut by a transversal L. These two parallel lines M and N cut by a transversal that is L, a line L called transversal. Cut this M and N. So how many angles are forming? Angle 1, angle 2. We have studied angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. These are the 8 angles forming. So, normal two lines M and N cutting a transversal, 8 angles are forming. Just like here M and N are parallel. That is the specialty. So, two parallel lines M and N cut by a transversal L, 8 angles are forming. So M and N are parallel means never intersect. Then like the M and N goes endlessly, so it will not intersect at any point. That is called parallel lines. So when two parallel lines M and N cut by a transversal, some conditions are there. First one is when these two parallel lines cut by a transversal, first condition is alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. So, what are the interior angles? 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the interior angles. So, alternate interior angles, which are the angle 3 and angle 4. That is alternate interior angles. One pair is angle 3 and angle 6. Then another pair angle 4 and angle 5. They are alternate interior angle 3, 6. That they are alternate interior angles. 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. 3 and 6. They are alternate angles. 4 and 5. They are also interior angles. They are alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are equal. So angle 3 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 5. So if M and N are parallel, then alternate interior angles cut by a transversal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 6 and angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Alternate interior angles are equal. Then next one is corresponding angles are equal. What are the corresponding angles? Here 1 corresponds to 5, 2 corresponds to 6, 3 corresponds to 7, 4 corresponds to 8. So corresponding angles are equal if M and N are parallel. This is the first condition. Alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 6. Then angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Then corresponding angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5. 1 corresponds to 5. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. These are the two main conditions when two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Alternate interior angles are equal and corresponding angles are also equal. Then one more condition, the adjacent angles. The adjacent angles are here 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Here 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So we know these are 7 and 8. Here 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. We know this is like a linear pair. This is like a linear pair 1, 2. Convertex, common arm, non-common arms are on the directions. So this is like a linear pair. So their sum is 180 degree. We have studied linear pair. The sum of linear pair is 180 degree. So 1 plus 2, that is 180 degree. 3 plus 4, 180 degree. 5 plus 6, 180 degree. 7 plus 8, 180 degree. So these two adjacent angles, or 1 plus 3. This is also like a linear pair. 1 plus 3 equal to 180 degree. 2 plus 4 also 180 degree. 5 plus 7 is also 180 degree. 6 plus 8 also 180 degree. So these two angles are supplementary. These two angles are supplementary. These two angles are supplementary. This is also supplementary. Or in this way also 2 plus 4, that is also supplementary. 1 and 3 supplementary. 5 and 7 supplementary. 6 and 8 supplementary. These are the main conditions when two parallel lines cut by a transversal. So main 2 points are alternate interior angles are equal. 3 is equal to 6, 4 is equal to 5. Corresponding angles are equal. 1 is equal to 5, 2 is equal to 6, 3 is equal to 7, 4 is equal to 8. Then there are some 1 plus 2, 180 degree, 3 plus 4, 180 degree, 5 plus 6, 180 degree, 7 plus 8, 180 degree, or 1 plus 3, 180 degree, 2 plus 4, also 180 degree, 5 plus 7, 180 degree, 6 plus 8, also 180 degree. That is, the adjacent angles are supplementary. In this case, the adjacent angles are supplementary. So, these are the main condition when two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Let us discuss some questions. First one, find the value of x in the following figure. So, L and M are parallel. It is given that L is parallel to M. We have two lines L and M. They are parallel lines. L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M and a transversal T. And we have this angle. This angle is 100 degree. So, we have to find the value of x. So, we have to find the value of x. So, we can easily say that this is angle 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 angles. Two parallel lines L and M are cut by a transversal. These are the 8 angles. We have given angle 1 is equal to 100 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 100 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 100 degree, which means we can easily say that the corresponding angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to 100, then 1 is corresponds to angle 5. So angle 5 is also 100 degree. Reason is corresponding angles. So we got angle 5. Angle 5 is also 100 degree. So angle 5 is 100 degree. So we have studied that the adjacent angles 5 and 6 are supplementary. Angle 5 and 6 are supplementary. This is like a linear pair. So angle 5, 6, the two arms this one arm, this is another arm, they are a common arm. So these two are adjacent angles to linear pair. So 100 and angle 5 and angle 6, they are linear pairs. So we can easily say that their sum x plus 100, that is 180 degree. X plus 100, that is 180 degree. So we can say that this angle x, that is, these are linear pairs. This is 100, this is x. So total is 180 degree. So x plus 100 is 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. So the value of x is equal to 80 degree. The value of x is equal to 80 degree. Let us consider one more question. Find the value of find all other angles in the following figure. We have to find all other angle. So where L parallel to M, two lines L and M cut by a transversal T. We have to find all angle if one angle is 110 degree. It is given that one angle is 110 degree. We have to find all the other 7 angles. So we can easily write all the other 7 angles. Very important question. So it is given that L and M are parallel, and T is the transversal. One angle is given. You have to find all other angles. So we can easily write, this is angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 angles are there. We can give angle 1, angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 angles are there. We are going to find the 7 angles. Angle 1 is given. So angle 1 is 100 degree. Angle 2. Angle 2 is, we know these are linear pairs. So we can easily find angle 2. Angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to 110 degree. Angle 2, that is given. We have given that angle 1 is 110 degree. Angle 2 is equal to, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. They are adjacent and also linear pairs. So their sum is 180 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. That is, they are supplementary. Their sum is 180 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. Reason we have to write, that is linear pair. Linear pair. Angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. These are linear pairs. So angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. Angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. So we got angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2 we got. Then angle 3 and angle 4 we can easily write. Angle 3 and angle 4. So it is given that angle 3 and angle 4. Before that, look at here. This is a line. This is another line. We know this angle 1 and angle 4. These two are opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4, that is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. We know opposite angles are equal. vertically opposite angles. So angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Angle 1 is 110 degree. This is angle 1. Angle 1 is 110 degree. Therefore angle 4 is equal to 110 degree. This is the reason, vertically opposite angle. In the same way, angle 3 is equal to these are opposite angles. Angle 3 is opposite to angle 2. Angle 3 is also 70 degree. Reason is also vertically opposite angles. So we also got this is 110 degree. This is 70 degree. This is 110 degree. Opposite angles we got 100 degree, 70 degree, 70 degree, 100 degree. Then the rest of the angles we can easily write. We know two parallel lines cut by a transversal, corresponding angles are equal. Now let us write the corresponding angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5, which means angle 5 is equal to 110 degree. Reason is corresponding angles. Then angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 6 is equal to 70 degree. Angle 6 is equal to 70 degree. Angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. Angle 6 is equal to 70 degree, which is also reason is corresponding angles. Then angle 7 is equal to 70 degree. Angle 7 is also 70 degree. Angle 6 and angle 7 are opposite angles. Then angle 6 is equal to angle 70, or these two are corresponding. In any way we can write angle 7 is equal to 70 degree. Reason is corresponding angles corresponding to angle 3. Angle 7 is corresponding to angle 3. Then angle 8 is equal to 110 degree. That also corresponding angles. So the main concept is that when two parallel lines cut by a transversal, corresponding angles are equal, then alternate interior angles are equal. So I will write the measures here. This is angle 8 angles are there. This is 110, this is 70, this is 70. Then we got this is 110. This we got angle 6, we got 70. This is 110. This is 70. These are the measures we have. 110. This is 70. So look at here. 110, 70, 70, 110. All these measures we have. So alternate interior angles. Which are the alternate interior angles? These two are alternate interior angles. They are equal. These are also alternate interior angles. They are also equal. Then corresponding angles are also equal. Here 110. Here also 110. This corresponds to this. This corresponds to this. This corresponds to this. So the condition is that when two parallel lines cut by a transversal, corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are also equal, then adjacent angles on the interior angles on the same side or exterior angles on the same side are also equal. Here 110, 70, sum is 180 degree. Here 70, 110 degree, that is 180 degree. 110, 70, 180 degree, 70, 110, 180. So the adjacent angles are supplementary. Their sum is 180 degree. Then corresponding angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Then adjacent angles are supplementary. So these are the main conditions. So if we have one measure, we can easily find the other measures. Let us discuss one more question. So two lines L parallel to M and T is the transversal. We have to find all the other angles. One angle is given. That angle is 40 degree. We have to find the other angles. So angle 40, this angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have given angle 7. So this angle corresponds to this angle. We know L and M are parallel. We know two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Corresponding angles are equal. So we can view this as, these are the angles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is corresponds to this. So we can easily write this is 40 degree. This is 40 degree. They are corresponding angles. If it is 40 degree, then we can write that this also 40 degree. Which means two parallel lines cut by a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. So if it is 40 degree, this also 40 degree. Then we can also write, if this is 40 degree, this is 40 degree, this is 40 degree, this also 40 degree, they are corresponding angles, corresponding to this. Or simply, these are vertical angles, opposite angles. So this is 40, this is 40, this is 40, this is also 40. We can write any reason. So these are corresponding angles, these are alternate interior angles. From this we can write this. This is also corresponding to this angle. So we have angle. We got angle 3, that is 40 degree. Reason is corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Then this is angle 2 or angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Angle 6 is equal to 40 degree. We can write alternate interior angle. Two parallel lines. So alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So then if it is 40, angle 2 is also 40. That is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So we got 3 measures. Then we know these two are linear pairs. So if it is 40, this will become 140. Since sum is 180 degree. They are supplementary. Means their sum is 180 degree. So that is 140 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 140 degree. Reason is that linear pair. Linear pair. If it is 140 degree, this also 140 degree. This is corresponding angle. So angle 5 is 140 degree. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. If it is 140 degree, this is 140 degree, or these two angles are equal, these two are alternate interior angles, then this is equal to 140, or another way we can think these two are opposite angles, this is also 140 degree. So angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 4 is equal to 140 degree. We can write opposite to angle 1. Opposite to angle 1. Opposite to angle 1. So it is 140 degree. So it is 140 degree. We can write this also 140 degree. This is corresponds to this. That is angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. So angle 8 is equal to 140 degree corresponding to angles 4. Corresponding to angle 4. So these are the other 7 angles. When two parallel lines L and M are cut by a transversal, the angles are forming like this. So we can use the concept of linear pair, vertical angles, alternate interior angles, then corresponding angles. Using this concept we can find other angles.